Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Build a B-1Bomber. Dad has got my main gear finished, all painted. Let's show them how it works, Dad. We'll have our electric actuators mounted up here, and they just fold up into the fuselage. Okay, extend them. I don't know if you can see our mechanism here, but they all just kind of fold up, tuck into the fuselage. Pretty sweet. And this is actually, let's stand it back up. This is the back side. And 8 wheels. We haven't made our wheels and brakes yet. We're waiting on that one. But that's our mains. And I have been sanding on my fuselage. I have almost all the high spots out, all the flat spots. It's looking pretty good. Now what I'm doing, now that I got it kind of shiny, I can get down here and really look at it and feel it. If I see any high spots, any low spots, I make me a little mark. But my marks are getting a lot smaller. And we're about ready to do the panel lines. Just about. You can see on the, what I did for my windshield is I taped it all off, and I'm going to put a couple coats of primer on it, and then I did my little windows up here, and when I put all my panel lines on, I'll pull all this tape off, and my windshield will be recessed down inside my primer. Now on my engine nacelle, I've been working on it. I got it pretty smooth. I'm going to give it to Dad. He's going to go home and make my tail cones. I've got the back side of that all glassed and ready. I've got it looking pretty good. And Dad's going to finish my tail cones, and that'll be ready to start priming. But we're getting there. Just got to bear with us, folks. But these landing gear are too cool.
Here and the mechanism that moves this in.
Yeah, when there's a wheel that actually goes right there. That when this fuselage, when the wheels go up, it rides on the top of the fuselage actually and pushes the wheels down flat. So they tuck all inside the fuselage real nice. And it's just so simple. It works so good. We got our electric actuators. We're going to mount one here, and it'll go up to there. And this is our, we'll mount the other one right here. This is actually the lock that will lock them down. Another one right there. So it'll have 2 of them electric actuators pulling it up and letting them down and locking them. We got our little set screw right there to lock them in position so they won't collapse when we land, and it's coming out really nice. So this week we're going to work on our nacelle, and I'm going to keep plugging away on this fuselage, and I'm going to get it super flat. There won't be one little divot or one little hole. See, there's a little spot right there. That's a high spot actually. I got to sand, and little spot right there. My spots are getting smaller, and when they're all gone, we'll put the panel lines on it, get this thing molded up. So until next week, we will see you in the shop.